Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So last class we have been discussing about chapter 21 framing algebraic expression. So let's discuss homework answers first. Sixth question, first one, 12x plus 7. You will get the answer 55. Okay, second one, 5x square plus 4x. Answer you will get 96. Third one, x square by 8. The answer is 2. Now seventh one, first question 16m minus 7, you will get a 25. Okay, second 15m square minus 10m, answer is 40. Third 1 by 4 m cube, the answer is 2. Now eighth question, first one 100x plus 225, the answer is 1225. Now second 6x square minus 25x, the answer is 350. Third 1 by 50x cube, the answer is 20. Next question, 11th one, if m equal to minus 7, evaluate first 12m. So 12m means 12 into m, given the value of m is minus 7, so we can write 12 into minus 7. Okay, now you know positive into negative, it is always negative. Okay, so 12 into 7, it is 84, but minus is coming. The sign of 12, it is plus, and the sign of 7, it is minus. So the product will be negative, because positive into negative, it will be negative only. Okay, so 12 into minus 7, it is minus 84. Now second one, it is 2m square. Okay, so 2 into m square it is. So 2 into m value, it is minus 7. So minus 7 is raised to the power 2. Okay, now 2 into minus 7 whole square, it is 49. So the answer will be 49 into 2, 98. Okay, now third question, 2m cube. Okay, so 2 into m cube it is. Now m, the value is minus 7. So 2 into minus 7 whole cube. So you know, minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. You need to do this. Minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. So minus 7 into minus 7, it is 49. 49 into minus 7, it is minus 343. Okay, 49 is positive, 7 is negative, and you know positive into negative, it is always negative. Okay, so minus 343. So you will get 2 into minus 343. So the final answer is minus 686. This is the final answer, 2m cube. Okay. This 12th question is based on your next chapter. Okay, so let's do it later. Now 13th question, if a equal to 5 and b equal to 6, evaluate. First one, 3ab. So value of a and b is given, a equal to 5 and b equal to 6. So 3ab will become 3 into 5 into 6. So on solving you will get 90. 6 into 5, 30 into 3, 90 you will get. Okay, now second one, 6a square b. So giving a and b values, you will get 6 into a square means 5 square into b, it is 6. Okay, so 6 into 25 into 6, 5 square, it is 25. So you will get 900. Okay, now third one, 2b square. So 2 into b square, b it is 6. So b square it will be 6 square. That is 2 into 36. You will get a 72. 14th question. If x equal to 8 and y equal to 2, evaluate. First one 9xy. So 9xy, given the values of x and y. X equal to 8 and y equal to 2. So 9xy equal to 9 into 8 into 2. So 9 into 8 into 2, you will get a 144. Okay. Now second one, it is 5x square y. So giving x and y their values, what you will get? 5 into x square, it is 8 square, into y it is 2. So 5 into 8 square. 5 into 8 square, it is 8 into 8. 64 into 2, you will get 5 into 64 into 2, it is 640. Third, 4y whole square. Okay, so giving y the value, you will get 4 into 2 whole square. Okay, so 4 into 2, it is 8 square. 8 square, it is 64. 25th question. If m equal to 9 and n equal to minus 2, evaluate. First one 4mn. Okay, so 4mn you need to find, given m equal to 9 and n equal to minus 2. So 4mn equal to 4 into m value you can give 9 and n value you can give minus 2. So 4 into 9 into minus 2, you will get minus 72. 4 into 9, it is 36. 36 into minus 2, you will get minus 72. Okay, next second one 2m square n. So giving m and n the values, 2 into m square, it is 9 square, into n it is minus 2. Okay, so you will get 2 into 9 square. 9 into 9, it is 81 into minus 2. Okay, so final answer you will get a minus 324. Third question, 2n whole cube. So giving n the values, n you can give minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 whole cube. Okay, that is 2 into minus 2, it is minus 4. So minus 4 whole cube. Minus 4 whole cube means minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. So minus 4 into minus 4, you will get 16. Positive 16. Negative into negative, it is positive. So 16. Now 16 into minus 4. So positive into negative, again you will get negative. 16 into minus 4, it is minus 64. Okay, so the answer is minus 64. 28th question, find t if t equal to 2a minus b, a equal to 7 and b equal to 3. So you need to find the value of t. Okay, t equal to 2a minus b, it is given. Now a value it is given 7 and b value given 3. Okay, so you can write t equal to 2a minus b, where a equal to 7 and b equal to 3. So you can substitute the values of a and b to find t. Okay, so substituting you will get t equal to 2 into 7, a equal to 7. So 2 into 7 minus b it is given 3. Okay, so t equal to 14 minus 3, you will get 11. Okay, so t equal to 11. 30th question, the wages rupees W of a man earning rupees X per hour for T hours are given by the formula W equal to XT. Find his wages for working 40 hours at a rate of rupees 39.45 per hour. So ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ എന്താ പറയുന്നത്, ഒരു മാൻ അയാൾ 1 hour rupees X ഏൺ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, ഇൻ 1 hour ഹി വിൽ ഏൺ rupees X. സോ അയാൾ T hours ആണ് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നതെങ്കിൽ എത്രയായിരിക്കും അയാളുടെ വേജ്? അത് കാണാനുള്ള ഫോർമുലയാണ് W=XT. ഓക്കെ, T hours അയാൾ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, 1 hourൽ അയാൾക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന വേജ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് X ആണ്, rupees X ആണ്. അങ്ങനെയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അയാളുടെ വേജ് കാണാനുള്ള ഫോർമുലയാണ് W=XT. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഇവിടെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത് അയാൾ 40 hours വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഹീസ് വർക്കിംഗ് ഫോർ 40 hours ആൻഡ് 1 hourൽ അയാൾ ഏൺ ചെയ്യുക ₹39.45 ആണ്. ഇത്രയും റുപ്പീസാണ് 1 hour വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അയാൾക്ക് കിട്ടുക. സോ അങ്ങനെയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അയാളുടെ വേജ് എന്താണ്? സോ യു ക്യാൻ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ഇൻ ദിസ്. ഹിയർ T=40 hours. T എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് അയാൾ എത്ര അവേഴ്സ് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നു അതാണ് T. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 40 hours. നൗ 1 hourൽ അയാൾക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന വേജ് ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് X. ഓക്കെ, X എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1 hourൽ അയാൾ എത്ര റുപ്പീസാണ് അയാൾക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നത്? സോ ₹39.45. സോ ഈ രണ്ട് വാല്യൂസും ഇതിൽ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്താൽ യു വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് ദ വാല്യൂ of W, that is his wage. Okay, so it is given in the question X = rupees 39.45. Okay, now T it is given 40 hours. So W formula it is XT. So substituting you will get 39.45 into 40 rupees. So rupees 1578. On multiplying you will get this value. Okay, so if a man works for 40 hours at the rate of rupees 39.45 per hour, he will get the wage rupees 1578. Okay. 31. The temperature in Fahrenheit scale is represented by F and temperature in Celsius scale is represented by C. If F = 9/5 into C plus 32 degree, find F when C = 40 degree. So temperature in Fahrenheit scale the temperature is represented by capital letter F. Okay, in Celsius scale the temperature is represented by capital letter C and it is given F = 9/5 into C plus 32 degree. This is the formula, relation between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Okay, F = 9/5 into C plus 32 degree. You need to find F when C = 40 degree. If C value is 40 degree, you need to find the value of F. Okay, so F = 9/5 into C plus 32 degree. This formula is given in the question. And when C = 40 degree, what is the value of F? Okay, so you can substitute for C 40 degree. Okay, substitute C = 40 degree in this equation. So 9/5 into 40 plus 32. 40 degree plus 32 degree. So this is 8. Now 9 into 8. 9 into 8 it is 72 degree plus 32 degree. So you will get 104 degree. This is the answer. When C = 40 degree, F will be 104 degree. So our chapter 21 is over. So remaining problems you try to do yourself. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask me. Just substituting and finding the value only. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.